This one's underway, and you have to wonder why anybody would want to step in the ring with Luke Harper.
I don't know, Cole, either. For once, I'm happy I'm over here sitting next to you and not in the ring. Wow, I cannot believe Dean Ambrose got out of that one. Wow, that might have broken his jaw.
He almost took his head off with that lariat.
Man, Dean Ambrose is just unstoppable right now. Nice reversal there. Boy, he was able to reverse and get out of that. Oh, and Luke Harper hits the ground hard. Cole, what's he got in mind? Great reversal.
And it's Dean Ambrose able to break free. Another shot with the boot. He almost took his head off with that lariat. Dean Ambrose has his eyes on his target, folks. What a move!
Uh-oh, big move coming.
Look, Dean Ambrose. He looks like he's got this. Perhaps Dean Ambrose has this match won now, people. How much courage, how much heart does it take to perform a move like that? Cover, cover, two. So close. Luke Harper gets out. He's seen it up. Here he comes.
Oh, out of nowhere. Nice move.
And it's Bray Wyatt executing the reversal. Ambrose answers with a reversal.
Oh, you never know what Dean Ambrose is thinking. That's what makes him so dangerous. An elbow. Oh, talk about getting flattened.
Dodges to the side of that one. And there he goes, under the bottom rope. And maybe some order will be restored here. And a jaw-jacking punch. And he reversed it.
Good move there. He flies. Crossbody. Knocked into the middle of next week.
Bray Wyatt reverses it.
You know, the moves that Bray Wyatt has at his disposal are vicious. One is more severe than the next. Let's face it, his throw suplex, clotheslines, crossbody, the avalanche, and running senton can put anyone away. Oh, yeah. You've seen that spider walk? That'll give you nightmares for months. Great counter. There's the tag, and he's ready to roll. When you see what Bray Wyatt suplexes, clotheslines, crossbody, and running sentons do to an opponent, it's incredible. After Bray Wyatt Avalanche is an opponent, you can actually see the unhinged look in his eyes. It's like he becomes filled with a twisted joy over other people's pain. Oh, wait, nice reversal. Oh, Roman Reigns unable to be contained. Man, that one rocked him.
Uh-oh, what a maneuver. And will this be it? And he breaks up the count. My God, there's so much on the line here.
Oh, man. Oh, ow. And Luke Harper gets out of that one. Nice move.
Luke Harper gets out of that one. Nice move.
Ooh. Ow. Ooh, that did it. Yep, there's the reversal by Luke Harper. He's got him hooked.
And he gets back in. And he's heading back inside the ring.
Looks like somebody wants back in this match. Ow! Ooh.
Moving on pure instinct now.
Oh! He's still not through.
Oh, what a counter.
And he gets leveled. Reigns. Good grief.
His partner's being punished and he's seen it up.
Reversal. Oh, man!
The damage has definitely been done. Now it may just be a matter of time.
Look at that, Cole! He was able to reverse that.
A textbook reversal. Can he follow up? And there's the reversal.
Uh-oh, look at that. How awesome was that?
Oh, no! Man, his head just bounced off the floor there.
Yep, there's the reversal by Luke Harper. And the offensive display by Luke Harper. Look at this.
That's it. He's out.
He's going for the pin. This could be.
He breaks up the pin and the match continues. And Roman Reigns gets out quickly. What a match.
Oof, man. We got to cover.
And he breaks up the count. My God, there's so much on the line here.
What offense Luke Harper is showing at this point.
He was one step ahead on that one.
Oh, and he got dropped. Oh, he's in trouble now. Uh-oh.
What a completely unbelievable move by Roman Reigns.
Roman Reigns is going to have to improvise. I mean, something needs to change. Watch it. Oh, man, that was a sick thud when he hit the concrete.
And he gets escorted back through the ropes.
He saw that one coming.
Hey, that's it. He's done.
Look at Roman Reigns here. Harper reverses it.
Oh, you know, for a big guy, Luke Harper can really move.
And the offensive display by Luke Harper. Oh no, Luke Harper looking to finish it. What a move!
It looks like all four.
And this has got to be it. And Roman Reigns gets out quickly. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
Roman Reigns delivering crippling punch.
Going all the way up.
Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty.
It has to be, King. But I still don't...
I think everyone knows how that must feel.
He anticipated that move perfectly.
He gets out of trouble there.
Whoa!
He's measuring. Now Bray Wyatt could have this match in the bag. His shoulders are down. And he dodges that one.
Oh, there it is!
And we're going back between the ropes.
Roman Reigns gathering attention in a hurry. Oh, reversal. Oh. And it's Bray Wyatt executing the reversal. That's it. He's done.
This could do it. 1, 2. And Roman Reigns powers through it. Look at Roman Reigns here. Roman Reigns.
That's it. He's out. Whoa. Don't get up. Uh-oh. That's it. He's done. Big time impact. And he crashes down to the outside. Will it be? 2, 3.
Roman Reigns picks up a strong victory.
Well, let's take a look at some of those highlights. And here's just some of the action we saw during the match. Let's take a look back at some of the big highlights. Look at this. This was a match that was simply mesmerizing.
Here are your winners, Dean Ambrose and Roman Reigns.
He gets a big victory here tonight.
Love him or hate him, that was an incredible match.